This video won't be long. I'll tell you about something very important that no one has paid attention to, and not many have talked about it extensively. As you're used to with me, we provide unique information or information that hasn't been discussed before, and we draw your attention to things that haven't been noticed before. So, in support and appreciation, like the channel. Follow everything new about working online and creating content, especially YouTube monetization. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Let's get into the topic of the video. In previous videos, we've talked about how YouTube algorithms are changing, leaning more towards being a video recommendation platform rather than a search platform as before. Among these new algorithms or new features, existing for a long time on YouTube, not recently, is that subscribers are not important. Yes, as you heard it, channel subscribers are not important and not a measure of anything. YouTube algorithms completely ignore the number of subscribers on the channel and completely ignore the view ratio or increased appearance ratio based on subscribers. YouTube algorithms are no longer focusing on just one thing, which is distributing your videos, whether to subscribers or non-subscribers, based on some algorithms or some statistics they make among themselves. I mean, the only important thing for subscribers is the 1,000 subscribers for monetization conditions. Otherwise, they are not necessary literally. I don't mean to diminish the importance of the subscribers on your channel, but here I mean that in terms of views or the success of your channel, subscribers are literally unnecessary. The evidence for this is that most or the majority of the videos I have or anyone has bring in views or have high views, bringing in more views than the channel's subscribers. Most of them are non-subscribers. If I showed you my channel statistics, I would show you that most people watch videos without subscribing to the channel at all, and also new people, meaning the first time they see my channel, which is evidence that YouTube is indeed changing completely and begins to be a video recommendation platform. So now, you should keep up with or adapt your channel to this update. The most important and crucial thing is not to focus on attracting many subscribers through subscription exchanges, because this is just a number that literally has no benefit. All that matters is the following: content creation, focusing on the thumbnail, title, description, and also focusing on the quality of your video, because this is the main factor in your suggestion on YouTube.